In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage leads and personalize prospecting with HubSpot Sales Hub. Whether you're new or experienced in using the HubSpot Sales Hub, these steps will simplify the process of managing your leads effectively and boost your prospecting efforts. Let's get started. First, begin by navigating to HubSpot's Trial Guide. This will act as your starting point and guide you through the Sales Hub professional interface, providing a comprehensive introduction to the tools and features you'll be working with. Once you're in the trial guide, you'll want to locate and click on the Leads section. This is a crucial part of HubSpot's functionality, as it's where everything related to your leads comes into focus. By working within this area, you can manage existing leads and get started on creating new ones with ease. Now, after you've opened the Leads section, the next step is to create your lead. You'll find the option Create Lead, and by clicking on this, you are positioning yourself to gather and input new information about your prospects. This step is vital for tracking potential clients and organizing your sales pipeline effectively. It helps centralize all the relevant details, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. Once you've created a lead, the next step involves building out the lead's profile by clicking on Contact. This is where you'll add specific contact details such as the individual's name, email address, direct phone line, and any other pertinent information that might help in personalizing your outreach. Personalization is key in prospecting, as it can significantly improve engagement rates by making each interaction feel more tailored and genuine. With the contact information set, don't forget to associate the lead with a company. By clicking on Company, you're able to tie individual leads to their respective organizations. This step is extremely helpful because understanding the company context lets you approach sales conversations with a deeper knowledge base and more focused pitches. Knowing the company details can provide invaluable insights for crafting messages that resonate with the organizational needs and pain points. With these steps completed, you've effectively set up a lead profile that you can now manage and leverage for personalized prospecting efforts. Remember, managing your leads efficiently with HubSpot Sales Hub can streamline your workflow and enhance your ability to connect meaningfully with prospects. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to managing leads and personalizing prospecting within HubSpot Sales Hub. Implementing these strategies will not only keep you organized, but also enable you to engage more effectively with potential clients. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and techniques on optimizing your sales processes.